I don't know what to say.
Hey, big brother, it's me. I just appreciate you, and you're probably the only person I've ever trusted. But, anyways,
Yeah, so you taught me about nudges, and I want you to know that because I've used that to guide me through my life and to pay attention to that. So.
You asked me what I wanted for my birthday, and I said, I'm about to cry now, that I wanted you and Connie to sing In the Light of Love. You have no idea how that impacted me. And it still makes me cry to think about it.
Hey, Gavin. This is Ken. It's been a while. Remember me? So I hear you are thinking of leveling up, and have a great time.
You always make me feel good. You're a model.
Your journey sounds tough. It sounds really tough. It sounds painful. It sounds scary. I don't know what to say. Like,
I had no idea people thought of me that way.